the wet dry vacuum cleaner toy for kids. You have the handheld motion one here. The little button here to turn it on and off. And then you have your little container for your little dust particle that you can pick up. All you do is hit this little button here, and it starts. It's a little swirl like you're picking up things. A lot of times they seem to get stuck quite quickly at the very top. So the level of balls that go around, it goes low and low. The mechanism here for the suction, there is very little to no suction here at all. As you can see, like it won't, nothing. It's like it really won't pick up much of anything. I am going to try with this little white piece here as well. It will pick up little things, but nothing super major. You have to really turn it onto it. And it went in. And then once you're done, you can pull out, like I said, out of the suction little container here. You can see that what I picked up. Well, I guess it went in there, but nothing came out. So it may be stuck somewhere here in this nozzle, because again, the suction capabilities are very weak. Then you take this part off. You attach it to the part that's supposed to be like the wet vacuum part here, as so. Then you add the handle into this mechanism here. And then of course you turn it on again here. And your little one can vacuum. And then it does swivel head 360, so complete swiveling. When you are doing anything, when you vacuum wise, this part here does not go down, so you got to make sure they hold it in a downward angle to keep it on the floor or ground to collect. And that is your wet dry vacuum cleaner toy for kids.
Okay, let's go with a 5.
5, please. 3 or 1?
Let's go to 1.
1. And then 8 or 6.
9. 8.
8. I know. This seems it's stretching much. 6 or 4. 6, please. 25,000. What do you expect? In this game, there's a woman on the express stage that controls all the sound effects. The keyboard, back in controlling the trombones and the boomers. It's pretty good. And
Cannot